In this lesson, we will see how to create an event in WordPress. The creation of an event is similar to the creation of an article because we are using a plugin called the Events Calendar that embeds the event form in the post editor. The main difference is that the events are added to a calendar and to an event widget in the website sidebar. Let's click on Add New in the Post widget. As the editor comes up, let's enter a title. Then, let's go to the text box to type some content. I will copy and paste some sample content. As you can see, the pasted content maintains its format. This is a feature of this WYSIWYG editor. Now, let's scroll down until we reach the Event Calendar widget, which is just below the text box. Let's click on Yes. Automatically, a new form will appear. The first information we need to give is the event date, or the start date and final date if the event spans on more than one day. If the event occurs for a whole day, then the corresponding checkbox must be checked. In this example, we will uncheck it. Automatically, the time selectors will appear, and we will select a day and a time for our event. Let's scroll down. Now we need to add the event location details. If you want to include a Google map, we need to be accurate in filling this information, otherwise it won't work. So, let's fill the venue. The country is already set to GB, Great Britain, but we can change it if needed. Now address, city, postal code. Let's select Show Google Map link and Show Google Map, but this is an optional choice. Then telephone, and finally the cost, if there is any cost, otherwise let's leave it blank. And this is all for the event form. Now let's assign a category to the event. Let's move to the category widget on the sidebar. What will happen as we save the event is that the event category will be automatically selected, so we don't need to tick it. But we can tick the type of event, music, and the location, Lambeth. At this point, we can proceed with the publishing by clicking on Publish. Then, let's click on View Post to see our event on the site. Let's give a look. At the top, there are few information about the event: start date, venue, telephone, and address. Cost would have been included if there was any. Then we can see the Google Map link, the Google Map, and finally the content. Let's scroll down a bit more. Here are shown the categories we have selected. Here there is the sharing toolbar to share our event on Facebook, Buzz, Twitter, Bing, and so on. This toolbar is present on every article. But we can see also a comment form to get the feedback from our readers. Well, but now let's look at the magic. Let's scroll up. On the sidebar there is an upcoming events widget with our event. If all the events in the calendar are due, then this widget will automatically disappear. If we click on the title of the event, we will see the event page. If we click on View All Events, we will see the list of all the events. On the top right, we can choose to see the calendar. But if we click on Lambeth, we will also see our event. And the same for music. Well done! You've also learned how to create an event.